Guys, another box, another soon birthday present. Oh my gosh, I have so many, and I have these one to put inside. Okay, so I'm doing a short. Wait for me. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, let's open. Wow, this is so big. Look at this. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I just ruined it. Okay, I'm gonna open the box. Whoa. Okay, first I had this kind of smaller package. And it has a lot of things. It even have milk inside. And no, this time I love this. It has like kind of shape. And more. Also have Aquafina and of course the phone, the iPhone. Oh, I had chocolate. And yes, Karabi. The water Karabi. I love that. Okay. I like this. I'm gonna keep this. Okay, so I'm gonna unbox this later. So that's it for today. Bye guys. I'm out. Okay, I'm done. Put the iPhone down. Okay, guys, let's open them. I have this kind. This is very cute. And look, it's a water bottle, an iPhone, some kind of stuff, and corn luggage. Okay, let's open them. I have my scissors, and let's open my beautiful scissors. Okay, okay. Whoa. Like you can put this right here, and it's very cute to put. Yeah. Look at this cute. Oh my god, so cute. Ice cream. I can open it. Guys, I can open it, but I don't want to. Chinsu. I have Chinsu and Awafina. Oh, I love this. Like it's from Japan, right, guys? Yeah, I think it's from Japan. It look like it. Cool. Can I open it? Do you want to eat? Do you want to drink some boba? I have my iPhone with me. My little cutie iPhone. Omachi, do you guys want Omachi? M&M? Coca-Cola? And a Hello Kitty book. Yes, so cute. I'm gonna put the Hello Kitty book right here. And this one right here. Oh, you know, this is kind of like a box. Like it's a cookies box. It's very cute. Okay. And Chocobi. I don't know how to read that. I'm just like Chocobi. I've always said Chocobi, but I don't know why I say Chocobi. I don't know. I just think about it. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of more. But let's put this out here so we won't think about it. Okay. Okay. Let's put this right here and oh my gosh, I love this book so much. It's very cute. Like it can open, guys. Look, like we can write. Yes, write in it. We can write in it. Like, look at this. This is Kurami, my melody, and the guitar. Is that right? Dress right? Oh, look at this. This is so cute. We can put it like on this. Another audio. A guitar, a little small guitar, and another water bottle. Wait, okay, two water bottle. Okay, lace. I think like it's like a charm, like you can put it on your phone, but Yes, I love this. Hello Panda. Yeah. This one, this big one is like a plate, and the small one is like the food side. And water bottle, another water bottle. But this one you can bring it to school. This is like for babies. Another cute iPhone, but this is cuter, guys. Look, Corby, and you see this iPhone. Milk. I like this one. I buy like randomly, and I got the Choco. Oh, I wish I got Corona. Yogurt. I love yogurt. No, I don't like this one much. I like it has flavor. This one's for my dad. And Chupa Chip Chew. Okay, I bought it. Let's put it right over here and over my water bottle. I'm so excited for this. Wow. Whoa. We can open them. Oh my god, we can open them. Oh, that's so cute. We can open them in Scrappy. We can open them. Oh my gosh, guys. We can put like water. Like we can clean it. We put water inside. For my... I don't have Barbie. But it's very cute though. Like it has this, so we don't like it. We can just put it out. Like a real water bottle. I really like it. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Yeah. Okay, this is all it. And I'm gonna put it just a little bit in here and in here. And of course in here too. Okay, first let's put this in here first. Okay. So first, I want to put like, water inside. Water bottle. Oh, this cute little thingy. Hello Kitty. Awafina. Milk. Bubble tea. No, I don't think I will put it in here because it will fall up. Okay, this is very big. A water bottle. Okay, I have it. Oh, Coca-Cola. Okay, I think that's all the water. Yes, that's it. And then this one. Okay, I think this one. I'm gonna put like these. Okay. This one, Hello Kitty. No, I think Hello Kitty was put here. No, it's won't fit. No, it's like the normal, like Choco B. Choco Bye. No, Choco Bye, not B. Jinsu, okay. The shampoo and the Jinsu. Okay, put it right here. Over here. And this one, like this one I can buy this one and put it inside. Oh, it's like a small seat for children to sit in here. But my car is also have a seat right here. I'm not gonna put children inside. I don't have it. I don't have a small Barbie. So at boba, I can put boba here so it's not full. But I think I'm gonna put boba right over here. And some Hello Kitty books so I could drink it with reading it. I think I'm just gonna put it right over here in the Hello Kitty book. Here. Yeah, that's how it's work. Okay, first I'm gonna buy this one on the side. The yogurt. Okay, Oreos. Oh my gosh. The cookies. My phone, I can't put my phone in there. I have two phones, guys. And I put it in here. Hello Panda. I have two Hello Pandas. The chocolate one and the strawberry. But when I was a kid, I like chocolate. But now I like strawberry. I I love this so much. It's like a plate. Okay, I don't think I could put it in here because I think it's gonna fall off. I just put it in there. I have Lay's and M&M's, Oreos ice cream, books, guitar, chew candies, mochi. I'm gonna put it over here, and a small book. Okay, and then this one, my phone. Now mochi go down. Here's my phone. Ah! My phone is gonna fall off. Okay, this phone is more. This phone is just like a paper, bro. Oh my gosh. Right here, right here, right here. And my little phone. Hello, who are you? My name's Mina. What's your name? Like that? Wow. I like this. Okay. Okay, I have this small little thingy. I'm gonna put my boba here. Where's the book? Okay, this small little book. Okay, and put my phone into. My phone's gonna be like right here. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, is that okay if it's got them? Okay. I just go to the shopping mall. This is my home, and I bought two. And I have this at my home, and this one is my home. This is my home. This is where my home is. Yes. Put right here. This is where my home is. Okay. And this is what I buy. The first day I buy a little drink for me to drink, like these ones, so I could drink this one too. Okay, like that, and go there, put it at my home, and the next day I bought all these. Yes, I also have a new phone. Yeah. Okay, can I do something with this one? It always has YouTube. Oh, YouTube. I can subscribe to my channel. It also has Zalo. Oh, TikTok. Oh, it has so many. Oh, let's try with YouTube first. YouTube. Oh, let's subscribe to my channel. Okay, then. Okay, so I have this one. Oh my gosh, I can use it for real. It has like a little page, and I love it. It has when I buy, I also have one look like this, but inside it has many pictures of Sanrio character, but it's run out of it. Oh my gosh, I was like, what? No, has like that. Okay, put it all down. Okay, and let's pick my favorite one. My favorite one, I will put it in this one. No, this one. No, this one. No, this one. Okay, this one. My favorite one. The thing that I have in my house. Okay. The thing I really want to have. And this one I don't know. Okay, I just put it out. Okay. My favorite is other thing I have in my house first. Okay, I have that. My parents have that. My mom just bought Jinsu, but I don't really use it. I have Coca-Cola, shampoo, Lay's. I have Lay's. I also have chocolate white. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of things. I have books, but not like this book. M&M's. I don't have M&M's in my home. I have a mini water bottle. I have a coffee now. Okay. I have this. Oh god, of course I have that. Yogurt because my dad really loves yogurt. Omachi, of course. I love omachi. Okay. That's it. Nothing else. Okay, nothing else. That I really want. The thing that I really want is cute little thingy. Oh, my favorite. Oh, my favorite. I forgot. My favorite is this play phone. This small phone. Ice cream. This kind of Hello Kitty box. Hello Kitty cookies. This is what we will do throughout this. I really want to drink warm milk, but I'm like 10 years old. And if at 10 years old, I have to drink like this one, and I can't really drink warm milk anymore like that. And my mom just said like, oh, I will buy you some. And yeah, she said it like 2 weeks ago, and now I haven't had my drinks. Okay, my favorite. Hello Panda. No. I'm gonna say like my favorite that I have at home. Okay, at home. Like I don't have this Hello Kitty box, but I really like it. I have phones, so phones means 2 phones. I have this one, and I really love Hello Panda. It's really yummy. I don't have ice cream. Yes, I don't have ice cream. Wait. I have boba, of course. I also have M&M's. That's it. Nothing else. Okay. Oh, milk. Of course, I have milk, and it's my favorite. If I'm not drink milk for just one day, the next day I was like, Dad, can I please drink milk? And I don't know why. When I drink milk, I was like, no, I don't want to drink milk. And when I don't, I was like, oh, can I drink milk? And it's just like that. Okay, then this one. Oh, I also have bread. Okay, oh, I have this. Okay, this one that I really want to. So I want these. It's so cute, but I don't have that. Hello Kitty book. Oh, this one. Oh yes, I want to try this. I want this because I want to drink milk in this. Oh. I have this, but I kind of want it to be grubby. So let's go in. I don't want a guitar. I don't really play with it. I want this. It's from Japan. I remember. I watched it before. I really want Oreo. Ice cream Oreo. I really want Oreo too. I don't really like a guitar, but my sister likes a guitar, so she's gonna buy it for her. Okay, so oh my gosh, God doesn't want me to give her the guitar. Okay, let's just go. Go. Okay, done. I'm gonna review it. And my favorite one in all of this is I'm gonna put it in like here. My favorite is 2 of these. This one. Aquafina looks so real. This water bottle. 2 of these Hello Panda. The yogurt one looks so real. iPhones, 2 iPhones. Okay, milk, shampoo is pink. I like pink. Hello Kitty box, ice cream, Coca-Cola. This drink from Japan. You know, like I buy this. It's just randomly. It says like this one or the smaller one, and I bought this one. Yes, it's just random. So I bought this one, and I have this watermelon, my favorite flavor. And I also like this novel. You can read. I like this one. Like I like the most. Okay, I like the most. Not like I like. Okay, I like this bread. It's so cute and boba. And I also like this one called guitar. This one Chocobi, I don't know. I have no thing. I have to eat this. I love Lays. I like this is so real. I want to boy this is so I don't know. Like a stew, like the orange flavor. I love things that is so pretty and also real. Hello Kitty, I love Hello Kitty. I also love Goromi, but I love Hello Kitty too. This one look very real, but I can't really open them, but don't worry, I still love it. Oreos are my favorite. Omochi and M&M's. Oh, of course this one. Okay, I also like this white thing and I'm gonna take it, and I also like this one, so I'm gonna take it. So that's all my favorite. I think my table is a little bit empty. I think I just love everyone, everything, everyone. Okay, pink. So that's it for today. Bye guys. I'm so happy. I'm out, guys.